So number 9 says that Pablo has $4,200 to invest for college. A says if Pablo invests $4,200 for 3 years and earns $630, what is the simple interest rate? Okay, so this $4,200 is my principal because it's the amount that I am putting into an account. This 3 years is my time, and it's in years. And then what is the 630? That's the interest, right? Because that's what he earns. He's getting that money. He's earning interest. So then my question is, and if you didn't know what the 630 was, you could read the question. It says, what is the simple interest rate? So what am I missing?
The rate.
I'm missing the rate. Okay, it kind of says that in the question. So again, you're using I equals P times R times T. My P is 4,200. My rate is
3 years. I don't know.
we don't know, so we're going to write R. My time is
3 years.
3, and it's in years, so I'm just going to leave it as 3.
Okay. It's a little different.
What is the I?
4,200.
Nope.
630.
It's 630. That's what I earn. Okay? Can I simplify one side? Okay, so do that. Raise your hand when you get an answer. Maddie, what'd you get?
12,000.
Do we agree?
Yep.
Okay, and that still times my rates, and it still equals my interest of 630. Are my numbers on the same side or opposite?
Opposite.
So I do the opposite operation, which is,
Division.
and which number do I divide by?
12,100.
Good. And what do we get as a decimal?
0.05.
And as a percent, that is what, Lincoln?
5%.
So that is your final answer for A.
Why is all 3 of the problems? This was 5%, 5%, 5%.
Well, a lot of interest rates are 5%, probably. Interest rates don't get really huge because you're not going to use that, like if you are borrowing money from a bank and they have a high interest rate, I'm not going to go with that bank because I don't want to have to pay more money.
So, what if we put 5% on the loan now and we get the loan, right?
You probably won't because I looked at the answer key already. All right, B says Pablo's goal is to have $5,000 after 4 years. Is this possible if he invests with a rate of return of 6%? Explain. Okay, what is my 5,000?
Principal.
Eh,
No, it's
eh.
It's your rate.
It actually doesn't apply yet. Okay, this is what we need to compare our answer to. We're wanting to know, is he going to have $5,000 in the end? So right now, we're not actually going to use that $5,000. What is his principal? It's somewhere earlier in the problem.
4,200.
4,200, because that's how much money he has to put into an account. He doesn't have $5,000 yet.
No.
Okay, so this 4,200 is still my principal. This 4 years is my time, and the 6% is my
Rate.
rate.
It's confusing.
So I'm still using interest equals principal times rate times time. Do I know the interest?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to write I equals, what's my principal? Emma? Yep, 4,200 times the rate, which is what, Addie? 6, so turn that into a decimal for me. 0.06, because we move it 2 places. And then we're going to take that times our time, which is 4, and it's in years, so I'm just going to leave it as 4. Are they all on the same side of the equation?
Yes.
So can I multiply them all?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and do that. Raise your hand when you get an answer. Emma, number 2, what'd you get? $1,008?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I done?
No.
No. What is this $1,008?
If you're right.
It's my interest. So do I only have $1,008 in the account?
No.
What else do I have in the account?
45. No.
My principal, which is,
$4,200.
okay, so we're going to add this to my principal because that's what I already had in the account. Mr. Caden, are you writing it down?
No, I'm not.
Well, you have to have all this work, otherwise I'll count it wrong. So then you should get, now am I done?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Great.
What does my question ask?
You have. Oh.
So now we're going to need that $5,000. Do I have enough?
Yes.
So my answer is actually
Yes.
yes, because there's a because it says to explain. So you need to write it out. If I can write it out, you can write it out. Yes, because. Why is it a yes answer, Brock?
Over 5,000.
Because we have $5,208, which is greater than 5,000. If I can write that out, you can write that out. Okay?